alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my YouTube family. Welcome to YASMEEN's family. I want to thank the Almighty Allah who has enabled me and you to reach this new blessed day. It is not our power, not our knowledge, it is Allah's mercy. If you are still alive and kicking, kindly say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Glory be to Allah and praise be to the Almighty Allah, because Allah knows the best. Yeah, we as a human, we are here in this world in that temporary life, but we have our home where we have to go, so we have to work hard to reach it on that day when we are prepared enough. What I mean that to fear Allah the Almighty, yeah, to follow our Allah's command, yeah, to love each other, to respect each other. But if you are Muslim, never forget to perform your salas, your prayers 5 times a day. I'm telling you the truth. So here in Mama Yasmeen's family, today we are going to prepare chicken kebab. So follow me and we start preparing our chicken kebab. Inshallah bin Rahman. We are going to start with cooking for a little bit our chicken. So let us start spicing our chicken. These are cinnamon leaves. We have the cinnamon tree in our yard. These are lemongrass. We have our lemongrass outside there. Yeah. We have salt. Spicing our chicken before cooking it. Let us start. Our chicken, it's like this because it has been in the freezer. So now we are going to start cooking. We already put in our spices, inshallah. Our chicken is ready. Now let us start preparing. Let us start preparing. chicken. Our chicken is ready. Ready. Use our carrots. Carrot, onion, and garlic. Then some little spices. We are going to add in oatmeal. 1 egg. Let us use 2 eggs. Added in our 2 eggs. We want to add in more salt. Paprika, turmeric, and chicken masala. Now our ingredients. We are done with all our ingredients. It's time to start mixing. Inshallah. So dear friends, we are done with making our kebab balls. Now it's time to start frying. Inshallah, Bidin Rahman. I want to be quick. Using 3 frying pans to be quick. To be quick. Inshallah. We are frying our kebabs using 3 frying pans. viewers, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting Mama Yasmeen from Uganda, Kampala, East Africa. I'm so thankful from the bottom of my heart. Our chicken kebab is ready, as you see. See you in the next video, inshallah. Bidin Rahman. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.